Rice isn't difficult to make, but a bad experience can intimidate somebody for life. No fear, my friends. Rice is very versatile and can be made in a number of ways. While you can steam it in a rice cooker or boil it on the stove, one of the easiest ways to prepare it is to bake it. Yeah, I said bake it. Here's how I bake rice. Preheat the oven to 425. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray. Place 2 cups rice and half a teaspoon salt in the bottom of the pan. Add 4 cups boiling water and cover the pan immediately with heavy-duty aluminum foil. Seal the edges well and place the pan in the preheated oven. At the end of the baking time, the water will all be absorbed and you'll be able to fluff it easily with a fork. Cooked rice can be stored in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 4 days.
That's it.